Hey, thanks for stopping by, everyone. I really appreciate it. Amazing, the support here. Let's jump right into it. I was out filming last night. Look at the lights on the surface, and this is frame per frame in slow motion. I'm not believing what I'm seeing. Watch this. Okay, we're going to call these areas stations, just so that, because they're going to be jumping from 3 areas. So I'm just going to say station 1, station 2, station 3. And you'll see the reason why. Watch carefully. First UFO from station 1, for example, over to station 2, let's say. Then starts advancing, taking off over here, but watch what happens. The second UFO at station 1 gets ready, but look over here on the third station, another light comes out, but the UFO stays where that circle is. Why? And station 1 took off at the same time as station 3 light. I said a lot, right? But it's exactly what's going on. This one splits in 2. Okay? We're talking a serious, beyond secret project. Trust me. Third UFO at station 1 ignition. You understand? They're leaving from the surface, some of them. Now, the eye is fast. You guys are going to have to follow what I'm telling you, because it's not easy putting these up and slowing the frame down. It's incredible. Watch this. We'll call it stage 1, power on. Stage 2, power up. Intensity of the light. Right away, stage 3, which you're going to see a thruster, whatever, we'll call it a thruster. It's an illumination of a source. It'll go to the other area here. Let's call it station 2. But now here, follow this. This one's going away. Station 1, a light's arriving at the same time as this one. But how come the UFO stays there, but another light leaves at the same time as station number 1? So it's a cycle. You see the station number 1 goes to station number 2. Then whilst number 2 UFO is going to station number 3, while station number 1 reappears another UFO and simultaneously takes off. And then we are even seeing these crafts splitting apart and becoming 2 lights. Why does he sound so excited? Pretty amazing. We're going to see that once again. Do you understand that different stations, I'm calling them stations, definitely launch pads, something, at the same time illuminating hundreds of miles away? No way. Impossible. We see them thrusting up here to go to the other object right in the center, which is already lighting up right now before it lands. You have to look ahead. It's hard, I know, following what I'm saying, because I'm seeing it. There's 3 spots here that they land. But now look at the UFO here. It's going to land, and then a light takes off, but the UFO still landed. And when that UFO takes off at that station, the other station on the bottom right also takes off. Here, a UFO on the bottom, something leaves it, but look at the beam of light that comes out of the head of it. And now look at the top left up here. Something appears there. There's a lot of activity and interaction when you slow down these footages. Getting a lot closer, but I still don't know what those lights are. And I'm not talking about the UFOs. I'm talking about why they land, and when they take off, the light remains on, and then these, on top of that, they're splitting in 2. So we're finding out a lot, and that's going to clarify a lot of other mysteries, which is good. It's okay. We'll advance. So it opens a bunch of doors for us to other mysteries. Always a mystery, and that's okay, because that's what I love, just observing. It's the raw truth, even though we don't know what's going on up there. I mean, guys, listen to me. You got to agree that it makes no sense, right? That the UFO, more than one UFO is leaving the exact same area, and you're seeing the ignition of the UFO. You're seeing it taking off to another area close by, and at the same time, simultaneously, 100 miles away from each other, they are leaving together. So that's how I caught them in formation. They actually all took off and did their jitters, whatever they were doing on the surface, and then they shoot up and line up on the surface in formation. And these holes on the surface are already even placed in formation. These guys are just coming right out, one after the other. Are they making UFOs? Are they just working there? Is it both? It makes you wonder. It's just fun, just wondering it.